Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now type C:" and hit enter. Now we need to type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Execute this command, type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now execute this command, type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command, type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command, type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bcdedit space /export space C:/ /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space C:* -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type run space C:* \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.